Okay, boys and girls, gonna flick over onto this. Looks like we are coming into triggering point now. So let me just flick on the indicators. Switch it back on. Now this is on a 15-minute chart. I'm going to drop it down onto 5 in just a sec. Flip these back on. Okay, so we still got pressure to the upper side, but I'm going to draw a fib onto this drop here to help me. But I'm also going to look at this section here just to see what's going on. All right, so it started there, came up. Okay, so it's in and around the 23. It's stalled on the 50. Rules arc goes back to where it came from. So I've still got eyes on this here. Okay, but as with most things, the markets will do what they want. So I'm going to take off the old blues, right? It's across the 50 back. Yeah. So I'm just going to readjust these. Just take them off. And there. Put some extras in. I'm going to be looking to sell these lines here. And then I'll look to readjust my black box and everything. Okay, so I'm going to drop it into 5 minutes so I can see what's going on. It's not quite there, so here's roughly where I'm looking at, probably. Now, if I'm going to be following this, which I am, it'll be underneath this candle here. So if I just drop a sell in, there for 14 pips. All right, so I can switch my order about. I can see what's going on. At the moment I'm following candles and just edge that up there, and I'm probably looking in and around this area. But if it surges smack there, and the base of this is going to be the trigger. Okay, if we start looking at DNA of candles, you know, we can start seeing the reds are starting to come in nice and strongly, but the buyers are still there. You can see that with this tail. 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes. Yes, it was a close, but look, still buying. So here is a nice viable option. Now, one of the reasons you use a 15-minute as opposed to a 5 is because of these little bloody wicks, because that could have took you in and then you'd be in a world of pain. So if I want to be brave, I can put it onto here, which I am going to be selling each one of these blues. It has been high, but it hasn't quite hit the trigger yet. So I want it to show its hand, and it's not. So patience is the key. So what I'll do is I'll just watch it. It's only going to be kind of a scalp trade. We'd already worked out on the sheet that it's going to be a sell. We know there's indecision, so I'm not going to be going mental. If I get 50 quid out of it, more than happy. Okay guys, there you go. Executed just the same as we were discussing in the market call. Wanted it to push up for it to have quite a vicious drop, and in it came. Now I repositioned one of the orders, took it out, just left the other one to run, had it stop so that if it did snap back it would have took me out. Not a problem, because all I would have done is re-entered the market, but without covering any of the losses. And that's it. So I hope that one helps you. Catch you soon.